today, guys. I trust that you're doing fine, and I want to believe that you've been enjoying my videos so far. And I'm going to tell you this that that which I'm doing now, you won't regret it at all. So today I will be looking at digital product creation blueprint, and I will be helping you, to put you through how to create your first digital product, especially the ebook, from scratch. I mean from scratch. Even if you don't, you can't write a complete sentence. Even if you can't write a complete sentence, and I mean it, you are going to create your first ebook, and I'm going to teach you how to market it, how to put it online for other people, to get value from it, and also how you can monetize it. I'm going to teach you these steps one after the other. Before I forget, let me just tell you who I am once again. I am Shunde Abiola Damilare Alikama. I am a digital strategist and a serial entrepreneur, and I help people create a sustainable system process which in turn helps them get what they want legitimately. And I do that by creating sales funnels. I help people run digital marketing campaigns. I help people create highly intelligent, customer oriented chatbots, and quite a lot of things I do. So let's proceed to the tutorial for today. So join me, let's write down. Yeah, I need to tell you what digital product is. So at the course of me doing my research, I discovered that a digital product is an intangible asset or piece of media that can be sold and distributed repeatedly online without the need to replenish inventory. So I would love you to mark the word, the key point there. Let's mark the key point there. Intangible asset. Intangible asset, as you can see it. When we say intangible, it means something that you can't, you can't touch with your hand. You can't touch it. You can't feel it, but you can see it, and you can feel the impact when you use them. So that's an intangible asset. It's an asset, not a liability. It's something you create to add value to other people's life. Or it can also be a piece of media. Of course, it has to be a piece of media. It could be in diverse formats, as the case may be. And you can decide to sell it. Use it as a sales, magnet. A lead magnet. You can use it as a lead magnet. You don't obviously have to sell it. Of course, you can also distribute it repeatedly online. That's one beautiful thing about digital products, and that's why I take my time to create digital product as I am opportune to, because I can distribute it online repeatedly. A digital product can serve millions of people, just one. When I create the right sales funnel, it can serve millions of people, and I won't need to replenish my inventory. I won't need to restock. There's nothing like restocking, taking stock and all that. I don't need all that. So I said here that intangible, it says that you cannot touch with your hand. I don't need to restock it because it is electronic. I can sell it over and over and over and over and over and over again. And isn't that interesting? Of course, you know it is. So let's move to the next presentation. Let's look at the types of digital product we have. Of course, ebook has been and will continue to be the most popular digital product for both creators and customers. Every entrepreneur will want to create a digital product. Every network marketer will want to create a digital product, especially the ebook, because it's easy to read. It doesn't consume more data, it's compacted and it's straight to the point. And of course, the reader can decide to print it out if they need to. So they are relatively simple to produce, since they require little more than written text and a few relevant images. That's all what you need. You need just the text and a relevant image to buttress your point. So an ebook is simple to distribute via large marketplace or self-created online stores. So you can choose. You have a lot of online stores that you can upload your ebooks to. We have the Amazon. In Nigeria here we have the Okada books. We have quite a lot of online stores that helps in selling your digital product. I've heard of Smashword, Payhip. I've used quite a lot of them. So, and they are easily consumed by customers who can read them on ebook, tablet, computer, or even on their mobile phone. So that's one beautiful thing. They can read it using their ebook reader. They can use their tablet, the computer, and even they can even read it on their mobile phone. That's one of the most beautiful thing about ebooks. So in this video, in this tutorial series, we'll be looking at how to create an ebook from scratch. So another digital product that is taking prominence now is software. I tell you, if you are good at writing codes, if you are good at it and you can put a touch of excellence to it, you can actually sell and make millions of naira, if not dollars, creating software. The world is running to automation now, and people love to use software that can help them get what they want to do without stress, with ease. So you can decide to create products like your plugins, themes, apps, snippets, and website. In fact, as an affiliate marketer, most of the products I help sell, they are basically software products. And I tell you that people are making money, real cool money, as the creator of the software as well as an affiliate. So you can lay your hands on that if you are good at coding, Python, PHP. If you are good at that, you can code using the newest programming language in the land. Of course, you're going to make your money real good. So another digital product we'll be looking at is photography. Because if you have flair for shooting images, photos, I tell you, your passion can be rewarded. I'm not really good at shooting photos anyway, so it's one of my my no-go area anyway. So, but I believe I can do it anyway, but not now. So you can decide to shoot photos, for people, shoot photos for corporate organization. Amazing, and we have amazing sites that can help you to monetize your photographs. So, but you must ensure that your photograph, they are of high quality. Your photograph must be of high quality. So that is when people will want to buy those images from you. So, and bloggers and website owners needs all these images to pass their message across. I hope you are getting value from this video. So I'm here to help you. So the next, wow, the video, that's the next digital product I'm going to talk about. Just like what you are seeing now, that's a video product, and it's extremely popular and effective format for delivering information online. Let me tell you, the world is actually going video. In fact, as it stands now, YouTube is actually competing with Google, although they are the same, product maker. But I tell you, people rather search through YouTube than Google now. And you know what that means? In the next few years, video would have outrun any other digital product that you have. So it won't be a bad idea if you start to learn how to shoot quality videos. You can start by getting a good phone, and a smartphone holder that can hold videos for you. And of course, you have a lot of app. Even on my smartphone, my Android smartphone, I have been able to shoot videos and edit some of those videos using my phone, and they are all on the YouTube. So they all gain massive viewage. So you can actually leverage on videos. Users love videos and they are happy to pay for it. There are some websites that that can help you monetize your videos. Of course, this video also that you are watching is also monetizing one way or the other. So you need to tap into this stone of wealth and influence. Tap into it. Every smart entrepreneur and business owner use video to get what they want. Of course, we also have a twin brother now, audio. If you are if you are videophobic, let me use that word, videophobic, there's nothing stopping you from learning how to create audio for people. If you are good at a skill, and you feel you can actually train others, you feel you can actually impart others with the right knowledge, why can't you just make it in form of audio? And audio doesn't necessarily have to be costly. Let me tell you, if you have a Windows 10 system, it has a pre-installed voice recorder. And even if it doesn't have, we have a lot of free voice recorder that can help you to get that done. Especially if you use an Android smartphone, you have a lot of them that can help you, record your audios, and you can send and monetize them. So audio product can be in form of recorded lecture. You can make it in form of recorded lectures, lecture series. You can make it in form of musical sample if you are good at music. You can make it a podcast or audiobook. Well, I will talk more on podcast very soon. I'm working on that because I am also looking at tapping into podcast very, very soon. So you can actually create audiobooks. What do we mean by audiobooks? You can create audio version of ebooks. You can get a software to help you do that, and you can decide to take the pain to get that done. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will create a massive wealth and influence for you. You can decide to do foreign language lessons, relaxation background noises, karaoke version of popular song, reusable sound effect, full lyrical, instrumental, musical. We have a lot of them, a lot of audio product that you can create. Just tap into your inner potential and bring out the best out for the world to see. So let's proceed further. I hope you are getting value from this video, and if you have, you can just drop a line below the description area and let me know what you feel, or you can send me a message almost immediately and I will respond. So let's look at other data products. We have the graphics drawing, why not? Push it out, snap it, and bring it on the web. People are ready to pay for it. You can decide to create online courses, create online courses and record them and upload them to Udemy. We have Coursera, we have SlideShare. We have a lot of websites that can help you, sell your online course, and you make, fat, money from it. You can decide to, create professional services or consulting. Consulting is also a very powerful, task that you can perform, and it doesn't have to be physical consulting. It could be digital, it could be online, and people will be able to, get value from you. You can actually decide to create reports. So we have reports, you have case study, we have a lot of them. You can decide to create that. So we also have the web-based app. The world is changing, technology is getting, is evolving, and most of the applications now, they are web-based. And of course, if you are good at designing and programming, why can't you just design a web-based app where people just pay, and you make it subscription-based, where people pay per month, people pay monthly to get the service your web app will be rendering. So we can continue to say, from now till tomorrow, diverse digital product that we have, but I would love to stop here because of my time. So in the next video, I'll be sharing with you how to choose your niche, because we are writing an ebook. So you need to first of all know how to choose your niche or your market, your customer. That's another word for niche. Your customer or your market. Because doing that will actually help you, in the process of creating a product that will add value to them. So you need to first of all discover who your target audience are. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to do that. So before I go, kindly press the subscribe button. Look at it. Please subscribe to this channel. I beg you, please subscribe. Ensure that you like and you drop a line for me on this channel. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Once again, I am Alikama. I help people get what they want legitimately. See you later. Thank you.